What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Joven, and Crow fam, I am back in this video with some more bullish content for you guys. Crow will hit $1 to $3 in the next bull cycle. It is clear as day, and we can never forget just how much of a powerhouse, a utility project, a layer 1 and ZK, eventually ZK technology project that is being built through Crow. The ecosystem is developing and thriving. It is growing one step at a time, and more people are getting into the ecosystem. My apologies for the vehicles in the background that are making noise, guys. But yeah, we're gonna go into Crow and why it is such a utility giant, and why it will be in the top 10 to top 5 of crypto in the future, guys. It's clear as day. If this is something that you're interested in, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Let's get to 3,000 subscribers. My apologies. And if you can, in the comment section, support with a super thanks comment, or become a channel member for updates on my future videos early, and also shout outs in my videos as well. So right here we have a tweet from Jan Spiker: the utility of Crow, never forget about this. Let's go through this image right here, man, because people are sleeping on what a giant project is. This project is going to be huge, and you think it's huge now at 2 billion, less than $2 billion in market cap. That is minuscule, guys. This is the Amazon of crypto. This will go to hundreds of billions of market cap in the future, and I know that for a fact. Someone asked about the the tokenomics of Crow. 25 billion circulating and total 30 billion. So if for it to hit $1, it has to get to 25 billion in dollars in market cap for it to hit $1. But I see Crow hitting $100 billion in market cap in the future. If a project, not to even compare Crow to meme coins, but if a project like Shiba Inu in the last cycle got to $60 billion in market cap, right, that would be $2 per Crow. Okay, honestly, the project that Crow is, $60 billion in market cap, guys, come on. Is that unrealistic? I don't think so. $60 billion in market cap is FUD for a giant of a project like this. $200 billion in market cap is what I see Crow being in the future, but we're talking investing. We're talking years into the future. But for the next cycle, guys, I'm telling you, $1 to $3 for Crow. I would not rule it out. Now let's go through this image. Crypto.com pay and crypto.org chain. Earn up to 10% cash back paying merchants online and offline. Earn up to 10% cash back on major brands, gift cards, and peer-to-peer transfers to friends. Stake CRO as validator on the crypto.org chain and earn fees on the network. So you have validator nodes, guys. Use Crow to settle transaction fees on crypto.org chain. So much utilities. Visa card. Reserve a metal Visa card. Receive up to 5% back with each transact on the Visa card. Receive 4% PA on your stake. Crow for Jade, Green, Royal, Indigo tier. Exclusive Crypto.com private rewards and benefits for card holders of Icy White Rose, Gold, and Obsidian cards while they have their Crow staked for their cards. Crow already has real world utility. You know how many people have their Crypto.com card and using it for transactions for whatever in life, going to to get some food, paying for things online. There's more and more people actually in the real world using the Crow technology, guys, and that is stupendous. That is absolutely amazing. This is what crypto lacks: people that are using it in their day-to-day lives like it was second nature, and Crow is already breaching that boundary. Crypto.com DeFi wallet. Unlock DeFi features in non-custodial wallet app. Get better staking rewards with Crow token stake. And the DeFi wallet as well, where you can use the Cronos ecosystem and swap on VVS Finance, get access to NFTs, altcoins, other projects like Tonic, having Tonic in your DeFi wallet. Guys, these are the things that are so bullish for Crow. Crypto.com earn. Get a better interest rate with Crow token stake up to 14.5%. Earn additional 2% on fixed terms. Crypto.com credit, lower annual interest rate APR at 8%. Crypto.com DeFi swap. Receive and boost bonus yield for providing liquidity with Cronos tokens staked. And Crypto.com has a ton of TVL, and it's still in its baby phases with Cronos chain. So many projects that are going to be building on Cronos chain, and it's still in its baby phases, guys. It's going to continuously explode in the future. It's going to keep going and going. Receive token rewards for selected token listings on Crypto.com app based on token staked in app. Receive higher staking rewards for selected tokens based Crow token staked in app. Crypto.com exchange. And this is the thing also. It is one of the tier 1 exchanges in the space. Binance, Coinbase, Crypto.com. It is one of the biggest exchanges in the space, right? So majority of people that get onboarded to crypto, a lot of them use Crypto.com. A lot of them use Coinbase as well, but a lot of the US users love Crypto.com, love the simplicity of it, and the the onboarding process of it when they're when they're first taking their step into crypto. They love Crypto.com for that. So just like I'm saying, this is what's gonna separate Crypto.com from so many other projects in the top 100, right? And these type of utilities will put it into the top 15, top 10, maybe in the top 5. I wouldn't rule it out, guys, because the biggest competitors for the project, let's take a look. The biggest competitors for the project are like projects like a BNB. Eventually, in my opinion, it could get right up here in the top 5 spot, right under BNB, or it could surpass BNB. Who knows? You never know, guys. You never know. The amount of community in Crow is growing. It is growing at a consistent rate. Lock up Crow and earn 10%. Get discounted trading fees. Get priority discounted token allocation when new coins list via the syndicate fundraising platform. Lock up Crow to enjoy preferential interest rates in Crypto.com. Soft lock up. So much things, guys. Skippy, yes. 0 Crow for me. Skippy, man. Skippy being a fudster, and I followed him. You don't see the potential of this project, Skippy? Oh my gosh, man. Guys, people are, they're falling into the FUD right now because Bitcoin is dumping, right? And now they're falling into the FUD. But guess what, man? Look, as soon as the project starts turning around and breaking out green again, look at Crow compared to Bitcoin. Bitcoin had a dump because of the Silvergate FUD, and now it's going sideways, and so is Crow. As soon as Crow starts to break out again, all these people that are fudding are just gonna FOMO back in on a green candle, like always. Like always, man. Don't believe the FUD. Don't fall for the FUD, okay? This is one of those projects that is absolutely, through its utility, all of its features, applications, its ecosystem, its blockchain, plus the future development of its blockchain, stepping into zero knowledge proof technology. This is a giant in the space. Crow is a giant in the space and will continue to grow and expand from here. It's just a matter of time. My advice is always stick to your plan, stick to your strategy, have your conviction. DCA diamond hand, wait for the bull. Don't sell too early, guys. My apologies for the vehicle passing. Thank you so much for watching, Crow fam. If you enjoyed the video, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Support the channel with a super comment, super thanks, and become a channel member for future updates early of my videos, and maybe exclusive content. I'll figure it out because I'm not sure if people are interested in other altcoins apart from these type of projects, but there's me and you and the members, we could have like a private Discord for talking about projects that are developing on the Crow ecosystem. These are the things we could come up with. So please become a channel member, and thanks again for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.